Change the color of NJ Counties 2. Note that the NJ County symbol stays the same. Open the layer properties for NJ Counties and examine the source, database, and feature class name. Make a note of it and close the window. Open the layer properties for NJ Counties 2 and compare the data sources. In Contents, right-click NJ Counties 2 and choose Label to turn the labels on. Turn NJ Counties 2 off and on to verify that NJ Counties has no labels. Both layers refer to the same location and same feature class in the home geodatabase. Each layer presents a different view of the same data. In Contents, right-click the NJ Counties 2 layer and choose Remove.